Doodles. Hi there, Doodles and Doodle Challenge. Welcome to my channel and welcome to our Doodle Challenge. I thought I would get some practicing before the Doodle Challenge starts on March 16th. I haven't done doodles since a couple of years, I worked out. 2020. Some of those pictures that I showed you in my last doodle sort of intro video. So I thought, oh, I better have a bit of a go. So I played with them yesterday and today. So I basically did a whole pile and then I tried again today to see if I could do the same to make sure that I can repeat the experience. It's not just a one-off. So there's kind of like two sets of the same things. So I did these balloons after I did this one. I did those shapes and then I did balloons today. So just thought I'd try them out with different backgrounds. Black or the white, I'm not keen on the blue. I did this one. This was one piece of background which I trimmed up and doodled one in white and one in black just to sort of see which one I like. I don't mind either. I could use those in my Lotta journal. Yeah, they're both quite pretty, quite like those. These two I did kind of like a wedding wet background and just doodled white and then splashed gold and then put gold in the centers, kind of like a more spacey kind of look to it. And I did these two kind of tulipy things. I don't know if they're tulips, it's just flowers. Well, they're pretend flowers. So I just did two that were sort of similar, and so that's what I've been playing with. And so I thought we might just have a go at doing these kinds of doodles. So what I might do is do a few short videos just playing around with doodles. So to create these doodles, all I used was a not very expensive watercolor paper. This is hot press 300 GSM. I got it really cheap because the shop Riot was going out of business in our local shopping centre. But basically buy student grade at least. Don't buy children's paper, it really won't work and you won't be happy with the results. And copy paper, well, not for watercolor, it will be too thin. So if you want to do a kind of a wash background, then I would recommend using some sort of watercolor paper. And I just think that if I want to use it in my journal, I want it to be quite sturdy. So this is 300 GSM. I'm using hot pressed because it has a smoother texture and it's probably the easiest to start with for doodling because your pen will go over it more smoothly. So hot press paper I recommend, but you can go with whatever you're used to using. Any old watercolor paints will probably do. I've just got this one has the most sort of color range of the sets I've got. I really love some of the new sets that I've seen people using. Sorry, it's a bit of a mess, but I've been using it. Yeah, and of course watercolors, you can reactivate those colors and use them again, so there's no need to worry about that. That's just a Mungyo set of paints that I've got. Brushes, whatever watercolor brushes you've got will make it life easier. So kind of soft, not like the acrylic brushes. So I just have a range of sizes and it doesn't really matter what brand they are. Most of these I've had for a very long time. These are Westart Dalers. I've had them for years. Sometimes it is good to buy good quality brushes. They do last a long time and the hairs don't sort of fall out. But, if you haven't got them, just use what you have. If you want to do doodling, you probably want to invest in a set of these microns. They come in a range of numbers and you get a brush pen. I think there was, I don't know, was there 8 or 10 to a set? I'm not too sure. But you get, a range from very thin to quite thick. So it's good to have those. I haven't got the full set anymore because they're wearing out. I need to get a new set. They're kind of like running out. And a jelly roll and a gold pen, and this is a black one I've got recently. It's like it's another brush pen. So black, white and gold is usually kind of all you need for your doodles. Although I also like to use my Liquitex acrylic ink for splashes and the bigger dots and the white, because the white, I use the white for mark making, not for the flowers. I use the jelly roll for the flowers and I use the paint for these mark making. So they're really handy to have, but that's quite expensive and you don't have to have that. You can just use the jelly roll gel pen for your white markings. You might just have to go over them twice. Okay, so I'll see you in a minute with whatever I decide to doodle. Right, there we go. There's our 3 versions of the same flowerish. Orange one turned out better than I expected because I didn't really like it when I painted it. But, you know, can you see how you can do a not very good painting and then you can just doodle and splash gold and white on it and it brings it back to life. So you don't have to be a painter. You don't have to be a watercolorist. You don't have to be an artist. It really is just a matter of brushing on a background, letting it dry. Paint some petals, paint some leaves, and then doodle. And the doodles are what makes it look cute. Thank you for watching. Remember to check out our doodle challenge and our collage challenge. The collage challenge is due March 2nd. Our doodle challenge is due March 16th. So plenty of things happening in March. Both of those are hosted by myself and Leigh from Leigh's Art Studio. Please check out Leigh's channel. She has some gorgeous artwork. Oh, you should see her latest, Marguerite Miller. Just absolutely love it. She takes collage to a whole new level. And of course, check out her doodle challenges too. So you can find the doodle challenge videos that we've got so far under hashtag 2022 doodle challenge. The new doodle challenge will be under hashtag 2022 doodle challenge MAR, M-A-R. So we'll have the doodle challenge and the collage challenge happening monthly. Otherwise, make a comment and you'll be entered into the 1000 subscriber giveaway, which is happening all month. Thank you so much to everyone. You'll be entered in the book of numbers. And then, of course, at the end of the month will be the main giveaway. So please enter your comments in order to win the box, the mystery box, which is not a mystery. If you watch the giveaway video, it's no longer a mystery what's in the box. So there you go. That's it. Enough rambling. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.